It's not a coincidence that both the Baal Shem Tov and Rebbe Nachman didn't want to stay in the confines of four walls, and they went out into the forest to pray. And they knew that their soul is expressed by being in communication with the trees and the flowers and the birds. And it's not a coincidence that many people today feel that way too. I'm a human being recovering my life from the power of machines. And I'm trying to live my life in a way that's in resonance with the natural world.
So we take off our shoes and our feet once again touch the ground. And I realize I only need shoes to get somewhere. But if I have nowhere to run to, no distraction to be distracted by, I'm not going anywhere. And I have the whole world right there, exactly where I'm standing. Like the first words that were told to Moses, Shal na'alecha me'al radlecha. Remove the shoes off your feet, ki admas kodesh, where you're standing.
So one of the questions that I put out for us today is, what's a proper balance between screens and nature? What's a proper balance in terms of the speed of my life? How do I maintain the right speed? How do I pace my life so that I'm living at God's frequency, with God's resonance? How do I live the highest soul that I can be? How do I live the righteous person that I am?
Bye.